Good morning, dear students. Look at the blackboard. What does the blackboard read? Question number 30. If you want to know more about this question, take your textbook, open it at the end of the textbook, almost at the end of the textbook. Two model question papers are given. Refer to the first one. Read the question number 30. What does it read? Fill in the blanks with the right linkers. Yes. At the bottom of the passage written on the blackboard, 4 words are written. Read them. But, that, since, and. These are the linkers that are to be used properly in the blanks. First, read it. Logging had led to landslides and floods. Gap is there. Scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. Full point. There is full point. Women provide. Gap is there. Women provide these basic needs. The scarcity meant longer walks to satisfy the needs. Women knew that the real value of forests was not the timber from a dead tree. One more cap is there. The springs and streams. The women declared, one more gap is there, they would hug the trees. 4 words are given. These are linkers. These have to be placed, these have to be filled in the blanks. So, what do you hope to do? This exercise cannot be taught. Listen to me. This is not to be taught. Such exercise is not to be taught. Instead, it has to be acquired. It is a knowledge-based question. It is a knowledge-based question. If you are good in English, if you know very good communication, if you know what a sentence means, then only you can answer such questions. What is the trouble? If you go on reading, what is the trouble you are facing? Read this. Logging had led to landslides and floods. Something is missing. You should find the word from the list given below which suits the best, which fits the best to make the sentence meaningful, to make the group of the words meaningful, to make it a sentence. This is a knowledge-based question. So, you should at your initial stage, I am giving you a clue that at the beginning of learning to solve such questions, go on applying one word after another in the place of this, so that you can understand how to prepare yourselves to answer such question. For example, logging had led to landslides and floods. Now apply this. Logging had led to landslides and floods, but the scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. You will find it meaningless. It gives no meaning. Because this is not the proper linker in this place. Now take the another. Logging had led to landslides and floods that scarcity of water, fodder and fuel, again a failure. Because this is not a good linker in this place. So, what I mean to tell is, in this very early stage, in this beginning stage, as you are an initiator to prepare yourselves to answer such a question, in this initial stage, this is the way how you should prepare yourselves to get ready to answer such question. What you should do? Go on applying one after another. At last you will certainly get an answer. Now take the answer. Logging had led to landslides and floods and scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. Then gap is there. Women provide these basic needs, but women provide these basic needs. The scarcity meant longer work to satisfy the needs. You get no meaning. So do the same as I did then before. How many are there? Yes. Since women provide these basic needs, the scarcity meant longer works to satisfy the needs. Women knew that the real value of forest was not the timber from a dead tree, but here it is. But the springs and streams, the women declared that. So, what are the answers? Logging had led to landslides and floods, and scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. Since women provide these basic needs, the scarcity meant longer works to satisfy the needs. Women knew that the real value of forest was not the timber from a dead tree, but the springs and streams, the women declared that. So, the first one takes and, second one since, third one but, fourth one that. This is how you prepare yourselves to answer such questions perfectly. Every year you will have this kind of question. I shall read one more for you. Listen to me carefully. I am giving a different example. This is taken from the lesson The Water. Up to last night, everything had been moving according to plan. There is no full stop. Instead, there is a gap. Roof would have put it. full stop. Next, the next sentence begins with a gap as is here. It begins with a gap. Gap, he had received a strange visit. One more gap. The leader of the POP campaign team. Full stop. Although he, one more gap. Although he, gap, Roof were well known to each other, his visit was cold and businesslike. Words given to be fill in are listen to me, and, from, then, as. Do you want me to write? Yes, I shall write. Yes, I shall read once again. Listen to me carefully. Up to last night, everything had been moving according to plan. Gap. Roof would have put it. Full stop. Give a gap. Gap. He had received a strange visit. Gap. The leader of the POP campaign team. Although he, one more gap, Roof were well known to each other, his visit was cold and businesslike. Full stop. And the words the linkers to be filled in are first one, and, the four words are there, and, from, then, as. With this, prepare the answer. Let us meet tomorrow. Thank you.